Hi and welcome to the special Valentine's Day gift section. Are you looking for a gift that truly expresses your love and appreciation for the special woman in your life? Look no further, because we have the perfect gift for her. Our rose flower gift is not only beautiful but also holds a significant meaning, symbolizing eternal love and passion. This gift is perfect for any occasion, whether it's for your wife, girlfriend, mom, grandma, sister, or female friend. It's not only a great Valentine's Day gift but also a great idea for birthdays, Christmas, Mother's Day, anniversaries, and more. The rose flower is wrapped around a bright warm white LED strip, which creates a romantic atmosphere in any room. The color of the rose changes with different angles and light, making it a unique and eye-catching gift. The LED strip is powered by 3 AAA batteries, not included, and the glass dome is easy to clean, as well as the sturdy plastic base. Included in the package is a beautiful pink box with a colorful gold foil rose and glass dome, making it the perfect presentation for your gift. And if you have any questions or concerns about your purchase, our customer service team is available 24/7 to assist you. So, if you're looking for a gift that truly expresses your love and appreciation, don't hesitate. Get our rose flower gift today and show her how much she means to you.